Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to print pictures from your phone at Walgreens. First, download and open the Walgreens app. Tap Photo, then choose Print from Device. Select the pictures you want, choose your sizes and quantity, and place your order. You can pick them up the same day at your closest Walgreens. Or, if you're already in the store, just head to the photo kiosk, plug in your phone, or connect through the app, select your photos, and print them right there on the spot. And that's it. That's how to print pictures from your phone at Walgreens. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.